Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be unbagging the Ipsy Glambag for October 2020. And if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription with 3 different levels. The Glam Bag that I will be unbagging today is their cheapest subscription for only $12 a month, and you get 5 deluxe size product. Most of the time you will get deluxe size product, and sometimes they will even throw in a full size item as well. This is what the bag looks like for this month. It is a black leather bag with a big circle embossed on the front, which I think looks like a makeup wheel. And on the other side, it says Your Magic. Somehow this sort of fits in as a theme for Halloween. There is a card inside. The theme for this month's bag is Your Magic. Inside the card lists all the items that are in the bag with the prices. I find that very useful. Every month, Ipsy allows you to pick one item of your choice, and this month seems like it is mostly makeup. There aren't very many items that interest me on this month's choice selection. I ended up picking the Mojito lip balm from Malin and Goetz. One of the main reasons why I picked this lip balm is because it's the only useful item that I will be using every day while I'm staying home during the pandemic, while everything else is pretty much makeup item, which I don't think I'll be needing right now. This is a full-size refreshing and soothing lip balm that retails for $14. The hydrating gel formula is 0% sticky, absorbs quickly, and won't transfer. A blend of nourishing fatty acid protects lips and helps locks in moisture so they stay smooth, soft, and kissable for hours. The next item I have in the bag is a mascara from Bobbi Brown, and it is the Smokey Eye Mascara. I actually won't be opening this up because I don't think I'll be using it anytime soon, but I will show you what the wand looks like on their website. The black looks pretty black. This is a volumizing and lengthening mascara. It coats lash enriched kohl pigments for a high drama effect. The real magic is in the wand. It has a thicker brush base that evenly combs through lashes for a clump-free finish, plus a taper tip to grab those small, hard-to-reach lashes on your inner and outer corners. The full-size mascara goes for $32 for 5.9 mil, and the little deluxe size I have here is 3 mil, which works out to be $16.27. You shouldn't experience any smudging, flaking, or running with this mascara. The long-wearing formula holds its own against sweaty humidity. And the next item I have in the bag is the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel in the shade Neutral Light Brown number 3. On their website, the full size for a 3 gram retails for $24. The shade that I receive is Neutral Light Brown number 3. They do have other shades that I can show you as well. This volumizing brow gel contains tiny microfiber that adhere to your skin and brow hair, creating natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny taper brush provides a mess-proof application and makes it super easy to tame, tint, and volumize the look of your brows. The little deluxe size that come in my Ipsy bag is worth $8 for 1 gram. This brow gel is also water resistant and long wearing, which means you'll never have to worry about touch-up. Simply stroke the brush tip along your brow to define, blend, and build your desired shape and thickness. In June, I did receive a clear brow gel from Benefit, and I find that it didn't really tame my brows. I specifically haven't tried this one yet, so I'm curious to see if it works for me, as I know that this is a very popular brow product. And the next item I have in the bag is an eyeshadow palette from Illuminati, and it is the Quad palette. This is a full-size palette, and it is my first time hearing of this brand. On the Illuminati website, this palette retails for $21. This palette contains 4 highly pigmented shades, which is nice for the fall. I would also consider this as an everyday palette since it contains all neutral colors. Talk about extreme color payoff. This palette of warm neutral powders are highly pigmented, so what you see in the pan is what you'll see on your lids. The mixture of matte and shimmer textures are ideal for creating everything from subtle eyeshadow look to a full-on smoky eye. The formula is cruelty-free and vegan. And the next item I have in the bag is the Hydrating Pistachio Body Butter from Pistaché Skincare. This is actually my first time hearing about this brand as well. On the Pistaché website, the full size for 6.8 ounce retails for $28. Apparently, this cream smells just like cookies. Not only pistachio oil smell delish, it's a great source of vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidant, all necessary for smooth, baby soft skin. It gets its light green tint from all natural blue-green algae, which helps increase skin regeneration for a healthy glow. Even though it's rich and creamy, the whipped texture soaked into skin quickly, leaving behind zero sticky residue. The little deluxe size I have here works out to be $4.12 for 1 ounce. I don't use a lot of body cream, and when I do get to use them, I use them as hand cream. I really like the packaging of the deluxe size as it makes it easy to squeeze, and it is also compact enough for you to put in your purse. So that's pretty much everything that's in the bag. Similar to last month, I did change my profile to receive more skincare. And this bag, I feel that I received more makeup than skincare. I don't think updating my profile really make much of a difference. And once again, this bag costs $12 a month, and let's go over the value. The first item we have was the Mojito lip balm for $14. This one is a full-size product. And then we have the Bobbi Brown Eye Mascara in black for $16.27. And the Benefit Gimme Brow Gel in light brown for $8. And then the Illuminati Cosmetic Quad Palette in Enlightened for $21. And the Pistaché Skincare Body Butter for $4.12. So the total value of this bag is $63.39. Please note that this is a variation and you could have received different products depending on your profile. Overall, my favorite item is the lip balm and the body butter. The lip balm actually pretty much pays for the bag itself, so I would consider everything else in the bag as an extra little treat. Let me know what you think about this month's bag and if you have a favorite in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.